Hi, Karen here from Mysoulbalance, and I'm always looking for better nutrition, better choices. And after Christmas, we need to cut down on all those fats. So here's a couple things that I chose to do. I put kale and tomato sauce and some cut up fresh Ontario grown tomatoes. When you can, buy Ontario. It may cost a bit more, but it's worth it. Support our local farmers. And then I put some shredded cheese, some purple onion. Again, you could throw just about anything on. I use the pita bread from any grocery store. And then I'm generously putting some cheese because we bought a lot of cheese over the holidays. And there's lots left. So today it's going to be pizza day, right? So something a little healthier, but still getting some protein. And really, this is going to take, I put it in at 375, 380. I don't know why I chose 380, but I just go with what feels right. And there. So there's the pizzas all ready to go into the oven. See those babies there? And so simple. Pita bread. I mean, you can make this with your kids. Put that in the oven and you're going to have yourself a nice dinner. So I'm going to guess around 15 minutes because everything's really easy to cook. And I heated up the bottom of the pita bread in a pan on the stove prior just to get a little bit in. But other than that, that's it. Let me know if you try it.